So for the milk line clean, we're going to remove the tube from the milk bottle, and we're going to put that tube into some cold water. Just sit it in there. You'll probably have a fridge here. Put the tube in the cold water, and we're just going to push the milk button, and that's going to suck some nice clean water through the milk tube. And we're going to do this 3 times, just till the milk tube is nice and clean. And this is the daily thing we're going to do every day, at the end of the day or the start of the day, whenever you want, or whenever you think the milk line is looking a bit dirty. So once that's done, we're going to do it again, 2, and that's just sucking the water out of there, taking it through, rinsing out the milk line, and again it counts down so you know how long you can take. And we'll do it one more time, so that's 3 times. And that'll keep your milk nice and fresh every day. And once that's done, it's going to take you back to the main menu, and you're set to go.